Assalamu alaikum. We will be doing a project which has the name Progressive Enhancement Art Gallery Search. So, what's the overview? What is this project about? So, we will be building upon an existing HTML page which we have already designed in chapter number 4, project 2, but we will be replacing the existing content with an enhanced version which is progressive enhancement, where a small piece of JavaScript is added so that every image can be hovered onto, see larger thumbnail as needed. So this is what the output of the page should be look like. So let's move to the instructions given in this book. So here the first instruction is that number one, like the previous two projects, by adding a link to a JavaScript file in the head of your page or right before the body tag. So number two, slightly modify the HTML to add a class for each thumbnail image. In your JavaScript file, write a loop to seek out all the image tag within the newly defined class. Hint, query selector all. Four, number four, for each image attach a listing on the mouse in event. Add, create a new span tag with a larger image inside based on the source attribute. Add another listener on the mouse out event to hide the newly created span. How should we test it? Reload the page and see that as you hover over images, larger quality thumbnails are fetched and seen in a div over the mouse location as shown in figure. Here, this is how the way this image is showing. And then as you move your mouse out, the page should return to the way that it was before hovered. So let's move to the code. Here we have HTML file. Um, this is the as the instruction one state. We have added a link which is script tag of a script tag, not a link. It's a script tag. So here we have some body which is making this form, some select, and then another div tag which is making a table. As you can see, we have made the class of each image art thumb. You can see here we also have made the class art thumb. The third image also has class art thumb. So goes with the fourth image, and so goes with the fifth image. So this is what our HTML code look like. Let's move to the CSS code, which provide basic styling to our code. So here we have some given some font family to H1, H2, navigation and footer. Then we have added some styling to search box. Basically, um, a div which goes by ID, search box and setting box and artist box. Then we have added some styling to the table, some table body for table head. Then again table body first child. Then we have added some styling to the caption and a class which goes by the name big image. So let's move to the our main code, which is JavaScript. Here I have added the comments so that it is fully understandable. So first of all, here we are completing our instruction one, which is that we should wait for the DOM content to be fully loaded before running the script. So this ensures that all the elements are ready on the page, and whenever we hover on it, it should enlarge. Then the second instruction is that we should give each image class art thumb, and we should use query selector. Here we should grab or select all the image using query selector all. So this will grab all the images element that have art thumb, so we can change them. So here we have used query selector and class art thumb. So next we have to loop through each thumbnail image. each image so that whenever we hover over it, it is enlarged. So it the mm, the instruction states that we should use a mouse enter event. So here we created a mouse enter event to show the larger image. Here it is mouse enter image. The next we have then it says that it it must contain a span element to hold the large image. So here it goes. It is creating a span element to hold the large image. Then we should it says that we should add a class that goes by the name big image for making for adding some styling. So then we create an image tag element for large images and set the source of the large images to be same as the thumbnail. Then we append the larger images inside this span element. The instruction 5 states that we should style the large span image. So here we have position it absolute. Then the top uh, this is this this code will make the image display below the cursor. When we hover over the image, it will display slightly below the cursor. The, then this large image style dot left will make the image position a bit right to the mouse cursor. So next we are again appending the body, large image to the body of the document, and then storing a reference to create spam for later removal. It says that the spam should hide the later instruction. Then the instruction 6 states that we should make a mouse leave event to remove the large image when mouse leaves the thumbnail. So here we have created, so if the image is if the large image if there is large image, it should remove, and we should clear the reference to the large image, which is this. We created it. So the last instruction was that we should we should the mouse event to move the large image along with the mouse as it is moved. So here we have created, if the large image exists, update its position to follow the mouse cursor, update the top position, update the left position. So now let's run this code in the browser and see is it working properly or not. So here it is. Now it is, as you can see, it is moving. It is moving with the mouse position, and it is enlarging also. And whenever I will move the cursor out, it disappears. Same goes with all other images, as you can see here. And it also make this page doesn't scroll down, but when I hover up, it makes me scroll way more to see the image. So this is what the page look like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like. Thank you.